folks, it's Dr. Patrick at Rivers End Dental. I'm making this video to show you about a spiffy invention called an oral irrigator. It's a water flosser. Water Pick is a name brand, a lot of people know that. I'll get you a Water Pick, I tell people. So I recommend to everybody to have some sort of water flosser. Now nothing is better than good old-fashioned brushing and flossing, but I found a lot of people, they either don't do it or they don't do it very well. And so something is better than nothing. So if I can get people to use an oral irrigator or a water flosser, it's a huge score for everybody. So there's three different types of oral irrigators or water picks. There's the kind that you have on your countertop and you fill up the tank and you clean your teeth, but then it makes a huge mess of your vanity, your whole countertop's covered in like gross stuff. So people stop using them because it's a huge chore to clean it up. The other type that I used to like a lot is the type that you can take in the shower. It's like handheld, has a little tank, but the batteries run out and then you forget to charge it and then you stop using it. So I like something that could be part of a habit. And so I came across this on Amazon. Amazon's awesome, right? And it's like 20 something bucks. And you can install it right here in your shower. It's right there. Whenever you're taking a shower, you have another excuse to stay in another minute or two in that nice warm water. So I'm gonna go and install this in this shower and show you how it's done, and hopefully it'll motivate you to get on and get one yourself so you can start taking care of your teeth. It really helps in some of those difficult to reach places, under bridges, around implants, around braces. It can be awesome for the whole family. This one that I'm doing is the one that I've been telling people about, the H2O oral irrigator. I don't have any like connections with them. I might try and work something out where they like, I don't know, I'm posting this video and they'd like do some sort of charity, but I'm just doing it because I want people to use it. And so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'll show you when I'm done, or maybe a little bit throughout. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna do step by step, just in case you've never changed the shower head in your shower. It's really simple. Just twist up here. Maybe, I'm not a plumber, maybe there's some more complicated setups. I did this most of the way so you don't see me untwist it the whole way. It just pops off. Usually the only thing really to do is put some Teflon tape. We'll get to that. Some Teflon tape, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. I always do it clockwise because it makes sense, but if it's counterclockwise, any of you plumbers out there, I apologize. Give it a little Teflon tape. Okay, now we're gonna screw this thing on. We'll see how it goes. Oh, easy! Don't want to overdo it, right? But they say that it shouldn't cut down, so. Okie doke, that's that part. All right, Teflon's on. I'm putting the final step. And I think you can figure this much out. Tell you what, I'll turn it back on once I get it connected and I'll show you how it works. All right, next up, install the mount. Anyway, we're gonna put that in. When you take the sticky off, it was a little challenging. I thought I was gonna rip it, so I'm assuming it's gonna stick really well. Get it level, they say you only got one shot at it, so. Okay, got that in. Now you can take your little tip, and it comes with different tips. Okay, y'all, it's all set up. Got it connected. Let me show you how it works. So you can take this, I'll turn the water on. Turn this little knob, and it turns it on. You just keep turning it, turns the pressure way up. And turn it back down if you want to switch out the tip, because maybe different family members want their own tip. You just do that, grab a different tip, and you stick it in there and twist it. That's it. All right, let's get adventurous. I'm gonna turn this off and get ready. I'll hop in the shower and show you how it works live. Oh man, I should get out. Oh, I gotta do my teeth though. Oh man. Wow, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, let's do this. Hey, we hope to see you at Rivers End Dental. Keep your teeth clean. They'll thank you, we'll thank you. Have a good one. Bye.